Moving on for now, this is the age of the internet, be it location data, social media posts, search histories. Everything leaves behind a digital trail, a trail that could be dangerous for women of the United States. After the overturning of Roe versus Wade, abortion is already illegal in a few states. But what's even more worrying is that they could be arrested for a simple Google search about abortions. Like this case in Nebraska, a Nebraska mother and her teenage daughter are being charged for illegal abortion. This was after the police gained access to their Facebook messages. The police saying the teen allegedly got an illegal abortion and the two buried the fetus. Authorities are using their Facebook messages as evidence to press criminal charges. And this brings us to the question, why did Facebook turn over the messages? Facebook owner Meta saying it received a legal warrant from the law enforcement. It talked about the case but did not mention the word abortion. The company says it scrutinizes every government request that is made and often fights back against any invalid request, but its own transparency report suggesting otherwise. It says the company gave investigators information in about 88% of around 60,000 cases. Data privacy has long become a flashpoint in post-Roe America. If abortion becomes criminal, will a person's data trail be used as evidence? Until this May, anyone could buy a weekly trove of data on clients of Planned Parenthood. The price for the data was as little as $160. The files included approximate patient addresses. This was derived from where their cell phones sleep at night. Income brackets, the time spent at the clinic, and the top places people visited before and afterward. So how is this data available? The 1996 HIPAA Act protects the privacy of your medical files at your doctor's office. But what it does not protect is the data collected by third-party apps. And experts fear that this private data could incriminate online users. Even publicly shared information could be in danger. For now, there are three main things that could leave behind a data trail. The first being location history. Smartphones collect all the information about your whereabouts. Sometimes privacy policies giving the companies the right to sell this information. They can make it available to advertisers or whoever wants it. And this kind of data can be used to identify clinics providing abortions or people who are visiting these clinics. The second is chat or search histories. We use Google for just about everything. So searching for abortions or clinics could leave behind a trail. And as I said earlier, private messages and search histories can be used as evidence by prosecutors. The third is health apps, more specifically reproductive health apps. Most people use these applications to track their menstrual cycle. They store intimate data about reproductive health, and this could soon become evidence in states where abortion is criminalized. Most of these companies often have loose privacy rules. Given how invasive modern technology is, personal data has become a tool. It could be used to enforce abortion laws across the United States. And big tech has said very little about if they will cooperate with the government. And by the looks of the Nebraska case, they might end up aiding the authorities. So experts are urging women to leave less of a trace. With the fall of Roe, a woman's digital footprint has become a dangerous weapon, and the data on their smartphones is already being used against them. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.